during the Jimmy Carter years, the last time we had hyperinflation was.
I remember that.
Yep. It was due to the rates constantly going up, raising the rates at the Federal Reserve lending window, constantly going up. And now if we have inflation, hyperinflation, it would have to be an organic hyperinflation. So right now, the Federal Reserve has done nothing to raise interest rates, yet interest rates are going up. And so they've done nothing to really, other than talk about they'd like 2% inflation, and inflation is up over 2% and will likely continue to go up whether they do anything or not. Will it ever get to a hyperinflation situation? I don't know. It's going to be, we've never really had enough history about organic hyperinflation, just organically getting higher because of circumstances like wages going up, not enough workers, an economy that is still moving forward in the midst of all that. And again, the self-induced slowing down the economy of higher prices for things begin to just weigh on the inflation numbers, and they continue to get up to what we might consider a hyperinflation. I don't know if we can have that again. I really just don't know. I think it's extremely unlikely based on the fundamental principles of how inflation related to monetary policy works. So I find it hard to believe that we could get into a hyperinflation situation. But what would drive that would be the devaluation of the U.S. dollar. And that can happen organically too. That can happen without any intervention. I would argue that it has happened many, many times. They just haven't been periods of time that have lasted long enough to make any difference. So I think the Eurozone is in extreme danger of that happening. So that could happen as well, that just the devaluation of the dollar causes monumental problems. Remember to click the subscribe button right here on the screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is added. And more importantly than anything, you don't want to miss all 3 live hours of Financial Issues every day from 9 to noon. And you can watch it on FISM.tv. That's FISM.tv.